Buying a Miele dishwasher is not easy between the confusing model numbers and the vast amount of new products they recently introduced. In fact, over the last 2 years, Miele has introduced 2 completely new series, the G5000 and G7000, with better and often unique features. As confusing as the changes were, they were timely because their biggest competition, KitchenAid and Bosch, dramatically improved their lineups as well. In this video, you'll learn Miele's best features, including reliability based on 48,392 real service calls logged by our service department just last year. Then the differences between the models and the best models to consider. At the end, we'll compare Miele to the new Bosch and KitchenAid dishwashers. All Miele's have a third rack for silverware. You'll like this feature because you can fit more on the bottom rack without the silverware basket. The better Miele series have the 3D cutlery rack. You can swivel this out for taller glasses on the top rack or fit smaller dishes on the right side. Miele is one of the only dishwashers with the top, middle, and bottom wash arms. Most brands will have 2 wash arms with the spigot on the top like Bosch, or smaller arms like KitchenAid. 3 arms are important with the third rack because it washes silverware better. Miele is also one of the only dishwashers with a real drying cycle. It allows the colder air outside into the inside of the dishwasher. Steam is attracted to the colder side and is fully dissipated as water. The best G7000 dishwashers feature 2 ports at the bottom for even faster drying. All Miele dishwashers except the most basic G5000 series model all will pop open at the end of the cycle to allow steam to escape. This also speeds drying. Miele's double waterproof system automatically shuts off the water supply if the dishwasher starts to leak. Many dishwashers have some leak protection, but Miele's is better. One of my friends had an upstairs neighbor with a water leak. It leaked through their unit to her unit below as well as the other units on the side. That's an insurance claim nobody wants. Miele is the best at leak protection along with the Bosch AquaStop. European dishwashers like Miele and Bosch and Beko fit within a 24-inch cabinet so it doesn't protrude. The dishwasher becomes indistinguishable from the cabinet itself. The American brands like GE, Whirlpool, and KitchenAid will protrude so it'll look like a dishwasher with a panel stuck on it. Miele has multiple dishwasher series and models. The difference between Miele dishwashers within the same series is having regular front controls versus integrated controls, or ones just designed for your cabinet panel. Although the model numbers are confusing, the series are the first letters like G71, G73, or G75. The overly complicated numbers after that refer to the style, top, front, or paneled. The top rack is fully adjustable in all Miele dishwashers. However, the better dishwashers have adjustable racks within the rack itself to accommodate almost anything. The third rack also changes to the 3D, so the left side folds under to accommodate wine glasses below, the right side drops to fit cups and smaller plates. Miele dishwashers range from 38 to 44 decibels. Quiet dishwashers are measured at 44 decibels and less, so all Miele's fit the quietness standard. However, to achieve the lower 38 decibels, the motor slows, resulting in a 4-hour cycle. Miele has the port on the bottom. The better machines have 2 to circulate air to the side for faster drying. You can control your dishwasher from your phone in the top 2 Miele series, including turning the dishwasher on and off and changing cycles. You can also see time remaining and receive a text when the cycles are complete. The cycles span from basic to customized, like hood filters and stove grates as you step to the better models. You can open the 2 best G7000 series dishwashers by knocking twice on the door. It's probably not the top of your list for features, but you do not need a handle on these models. Better cabinets handle this as a nice touch. Miele's automatic detergent dispenser is designed to handle 20 loads and guarantees the right amount of detergents released at the right time. I thought this was an overblown feature. However, clients reported cleaner dishes because the detergent's released at the right time in the cycle. Autodose is available in their top 3 models, the G73, 75, and 79 series. Now that you know how to buy a Miele, let's look at the best models. The G5056 VIS FP is the top control version of the least expensive series, the G5006. This series is now officially quiet at 44 decibels. Like all Miele's, it features the quick intense wash, a 58-minute wash and dry cycle for normally soiled dishes. using added temperature. The G5266 adds the 3D multi-flex top rack. It can be slid in a few different positions to accommodate more in the rack below on the left side, in dishes on the right side. You have better drying with the auto open cycle, with the door popping open at the end of the cycle. It releases steam and heat. It's a great feature, especially if you wash at night, that steam doesn't become residual moisture on your glasses. This series is also a bit quieter at 42 decibels. The G7000 series has sensor-driven cycles and options. Miele sensors recognize the water soil level to adjust time and temperature in the wash and dry cycle. In the Miele G71 series dishwasher, it has a new cycles, racks, and silence rating. The Intense Zone is a newer cycle to scour the dishes on the bottom rack. The dishwasher is now 43 decibels, just a bit noisier than the previous less expensive model, but still below the quietness threshold of 44 decibels. The G7366 VISF is also 44 decibels. You can use their extra quiet cycle down to 39 decibels. However, it's a 4-hour cycle, slowing the motor down. Racks are a bit better. You do have some customized cycles for your stove grates and hood filters as well. Most importantly, the G73 series is the first models with the auto dose. Lastly, this dishwasher is Wi-Fi enabled. You can turn the dishwasher on and off remotely, see time remaining, and how much detergent is in your dispenser right on your phone. This series is 42 decibels or 38 decibels if you select the extra quiet cycle. The dishwasher also has the knock to open if you're looking for a handleless design. You also have better flex line racks and more cycles as well. The 75 series also features an LED light inside if you're unloading your dishwasher in the middle of the night. At this recording, Bosch has been affected by COVID-19. Many of their dishwashers below $1,000 are out of stock. At $1279 to $1399, this dishwasher is a good consideration. Bosch now uses the volcanic element zeolite to increase heat and absorb moisture. It works. The $1299 to $1699 Miele's will all have more usable cycles along with a better wash system. Their clean air drying is good along with the auto opening door feature, but zeolite works better on plastics. From $14.99 up, Miele has a better dishwasher, especially with its new dispenser. In terms of reliability, Miele is now over 2% better than Bosch. KitchenAid's 2 series. Their less expensive dishwasher in the 200 series is 39 decibels with decent cycles at $9.99. However, KitchenAid's M series dishwashers are new at $12.99 and have 4 wash levels, including the largest third rack. The drying includes an intake and fan to dry the dishes. It's similar to Miele, at least in principle. KitchenAid is a good dishwasher to consider for under $12.99. Their 2 better units at $14.99 and $18.99 don't add much for cycles. Miele has better cycles and features starting at $14.99. KitchenAid is technically a little bit more reliable than Miele, but most of their dishwashers were sold with less features. Miele is excellent dishwashers, especially over $14.99, where most brands stop. They offer a solid package of racking features as well as washing and drying capability. You should know the dispenser works and is not a gimmick. Then again, neither are the features of the new Bosch or KitchenAid dishwashers. Still, at $11.99 and above, you should consider a Miele dishwasher, as it is the most comprehensive package of washing, drying, cycles, racking, waterproofing, and reliability. Click the link to download our free dishwasher buying guide to learn more about all the most popular brands, get answers to frequently asked questions, and learn buying strategies to save you money. Almost 1 million people have found an answer in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.